Have you ever opened social media and suddenly felt like everyone else is winning? They are richer, happier, more successful, and without even realizing it, you start feeling behind. If this has ever happened to you, this story is for you. Comparison has always existed, but today it lives in our pockets. Every scroll shows a perfect life, perfect bodies, perfect careers, perfect happiness. But what we don't see are the failures behind those photos. Social media shows results, not the years of struggle. And when we compare our real life with someone else's edited life, we slowly lose confidence. This story is about breaking that habit. In a quiet hillside town lived a young man named Noah. Noah was hardworking and disciplined, but his biggest problem wasn't laziness, it was comparison. Every morning, the first thing he did was check his phone. He saw his friend Caleb posting about promotions, another friend sharing vacation photos, someone else showing a new car. Noah would close the app, but the feeling stayed. Everyone is moving forward, he thought. Why am I still here? Even on productive days, social media made him feel like he wasn't enough. One evening, tired and confused, Noah walked to a river outside town. The water flowed calmly without any rush. An old man sat nearby feeding birds. His name was Mr. Alden. Noah sat beside him and said, "Sir, every time I open my phone, I feel like my life is falling behind." Mr. Alden smiled softly. "Come back tomorrow morning," he said. "I'll tell you a small story." The next morning they met again. Mr. Alden took Noah to a garden. Some trees were tall, some were short. Some had fruit, some didn't. Then Mr. Alden said, "Before I answer you, listen to this story." "Once there were two candles in a temple," Mr. Alden began. "One candle was tall and bright. The other was small and quiet. The small candle kept looking at the tall one and felt useless. One night, a storm entered the temple. The tall candle burned fast and melted quickly, but the small candle burned slowly and stayed lit till morning. When people came to pray, only one candle was still shining. Mr. Alden looked at Noah and asked, "Which candle truly succeeded?" Noah replied, "The one that lasted." Mr. Alden nodded. "Social media celebrates candles that burn fast," he said. "But life rewards candles that burn long." Mr. Alden picked up Noah's phone from the bench. "This device," he said, "shows only highlights. No one posts their fear. No one posts their failures. No one posts their lonely nights. When you scroll, you compare your whole life with someone else's best moment." He pointed to the river. "The river doesn't rush because another river is faster. It flows at its own pace and still reaches the ocean." That day, Noah made a decision. He stopped starting his mornings with social media. He stopped measuring success by likes and views. Instead, he asked himself one question every day. Am I growing, even if slowly? Some days were quiet, some days were difficult. But without constant comparison, his mind became peaceful. His focus improved. His confidence returned. Years later, Noah hadn't become famous online, but he had built a strong, meaningful life. Stable work, inner peace, self-respect. When someone asked him, "How did you stop feeling behind in life?" Noah smiled and said, "I stopped believing everything I saw on a screen." Remember this, the sun doesn't post updates, the moon doesn't seek likes, yet both shine. You are not late, you are not less, you are just on a different timeline. Stop comparing your real life to someone else's filtered life. Trust your journey, because the moment you do, life stops feeling like a race and starts feeling like yours. If this story made you think, like the video, share it with someone who needs this reminder today, and subscribe for more simple stories with deep meaning and life lessons. See you in the next story.